Hi people, it's just gonna be a minute. I'm almost in the dark, but I got my LED light, and I love my LED light because it keeps the balcony with plenty of light. Okay, so this is my how you call it, mint plant. I put it in water. Let me show you. Hold on. This is a perfect way to put it in water. Look how beautiful these are. And I had this other canister. Hold on. I have this other canister. That's the one I'm transplanting. This one I won't. Oh yes, this one I will. This one I will. But the other one, where did it go? Oh, I'll look for it later. One fell down. I don't know where it went. But anyway, I'll check it now. See where is that. Okay, but anyway, this one is gonna get planted. You see, it has plenty of roots. So now I'm planting this one. And how do you plant this one? Where the roots at. So you plant it this way, upwards. I'm going to put it this way because they like hanging down. So I'll be putting it this way. And after I finish, oh, there it went. I'll get it now. After I finish, I'll show you the ending part. Well, there it is. Look how beautiful it is. This is the one that I replanted. The one that I planted. This is the one that is the original one. I saved this one from a little piece, a little tiny piece, the only one that was still alive. And I put it in compost and we kept it nice and moist, and it started to grow. You see how beautiful? Then this starts to grow big and long. So what I do, I cut it from there. As you can see right there, it's cut. I cut it from there, and then I put it in water, and then I make some more. That's pretty cool. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.